Okay, so my story starts, let me think, over a year ago. I couldn't walk. Got up in the morning, couldn't walk, got worse and worse and worse. Saw several doctors, finally decided to see a surgeon through those doctors. They didn't really give me much time to tell them what was wrong. Spent 10 minutes with me in a room and told me, when do you want to do it? I knew it was going to be 3 months of no bending, lifting, and twisting, BLTs is what it's called, and major surgery. Didn't feel comfortable with them, so I went searching for another doctor. I was referred to this office and found Dr. Gallus, could see me in a week. He got me in, told me he could do the surgery, spent 45 minutes with me explaining everything that was going on, and made me feel comfortable, listened to me. He was attentive. I was pacing the floor because I couldn't walk. Knew I needed to get something done. It was major. Never been in the hospital before even. Had no medical history problems at all. And he got me in there in a week and a half, 2 weeks maybe, and was so attentive, making sure I was okay every morning in the hospital. Made me feel like he cared about me. It was amazing. Saturday morning he was there, Sunday morning he was there, got me out. I had a 3-hour drive home. I had complications in my surgery that made me stay longer, and he took care of it. There was no doubt. He said it was difficult, but he took care of it. Took care of my family in the waiting room, in between the surgeries, or in between the surgery time that I was in there. And I left that day knowing I was in the right hands. I knew that I'd done the right thing. He was a godsend. And he told me, he said it was up to me and God when I left. And that's the way it was. 3 months later, I'm good. 3 months later, I started in on my physical therapy. I got through it okay. Lost all the major muscles in my right leg, and they're back. I have some numbness that's still there, but it's going away. And it's been a year now, and I feel great. I do. I feel great, and he's still seeing me. He's going to see, hopefully, my mother and take care of her neck. But it's been a good experience, very good experience. And I've sent how many people to him? 5, something like that, and they all love him. They all have really liked him. Had good experiences, lots of attention. One of the things he does is listens to you. Another thing he does is he cares. He's going to take care of you, is what he told me, and he did.